My mum's Bran Loaf has been famous in our family since time immemorial, and I want to share it with you. First of all, you start off with some bran that you've soaked in low-fat milk. Now you can speed that up in the microwave or you can do it for 15 minutes. And then it's putting the ingredients in. And the great thing with this is no dairy, no fat, high fibre and deliciousness. So I've got some self-raising flour, some brown sugar. It's a simple mix. It's a great one to get the kids cooking. Some cinnamon, ground cinnamon, some ground ginger, a little bit of bicarb soda that's going to really help it lift and be light. And I've got some chopped walnuts and dates. You can put in any sort that you like, any sort of fruit and nuts that you like, or leave the nuts out. It's up to you. Mixed fruit for a bit of colour, beautiful. And then some treacle or some golden syrup, which really helps give it a beautiful dark colour. Now my oven is preheated to 180 degrees, and this is only going to take 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. So it's a simple mixture. I always like to grease and line my tins because I hate washing up. So it's just a little safety thing to do that. And there you've got, look at that, brown and luscious into my tin. And as I said, it's going to take 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. Now, if you like, you can think about prettying up the top. You might want to put on some caramelised walnuts or some extra chopped fruit. Level that off into the oven, and after 35 minutes, this is what you're going to have. Delicious. My mum's Bran Loaf.